Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be revealing exactly how much I made in the month of May for my Redbubble account. I actually posted how much I made in the month of April not too long ago, so this month you guys get a 2-for-1 earnings report video. So I always like watching these. I figured you guys would too, and I didn't want to wait too long to post this one either. If you're new here, my name's Alex and I post videos about all things print on demand, especially Redbubble because that is one of the sites that I'm focusing in on right now, but I'm also doing some Amazon merch stuff and testing my hand at a few other ones like Shopify and Etsy behind the scenes, and I will let you know how those are going really soon. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I can keep making earnings reports and I know you guys like them, and subscribe to my channel so that you guys can always get my latest videos right into your newsfeed. With that being said, let's get into this video. So for the month of May, it was a little bit of a sad month. I know last video I left it off on a high because I had made a little bit more than the previous months, and it was an above average amount for me to make on a monthly basis, but it did go back down in the month of May, which I was a little bit disappointed because I thought it would at least stay steady, but it didn't. And in one sense, I'm not surprised because that's been the pattern with May in the past, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But in another, I was a little bit disappointed because I had posted so many new designs. I thought maybe some of them would gain traction towards my store, but I guess it didn't work out this month. So you guys are probably curious, how much did I make? And in the month of May, I made about $204 US on Redbubble. Yeah, obviously for you guys, it might not seem like that big of a difference from my previous months, but I feel like this is definitely one of my lowest months in a very long time. So that's okay, we'll just use it as motivation to work harder and post more designs this month, and hopefully that will help. With that being said, in Canadian, it converted to about 249 Canadian dollars. So that's what I actually got in my bank account, which is a little bit better, but not by much. So yeah, we'll see what happens next month. So now that I've shared exactly how much I've made, let's get into my analytics so I can show you exactly what made up that income and how the rest of my analytics looked for the month of May. Okay, so just going into my dashboard here for, let's just go last 30 days. So here it said my earnings summary was $230. That's just because it's not exactly the time frame that I got paid in. But as you can see here, there were definitely quite a couple of no sale days, which I feel like this is probably the most I've had in a while. Yeah, like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days with no sales, so that's almost a week. Definitely adds up. I actually had a pretty good day on the 12th here, as you can see, $53, but I don't think that actually went towards my payment in May because it didn't clear in time. So basically all I have is just this little, all these little bars here is what went towards my sales. So yeah, that explains May. And then here we have earnings by artwork and product. So as expected, Blue Ocean Waves, #1 for the month of May. Product sold was 33. Yeah, just a mix of things really. Mug, art print, artboard, laptop sleeve. It always changes and it's always a really random mix in that one. Blue Ocean Summer Beach Waves was my second. Pink, purple, and blue Summer Sunset third. So these ones are always usually like top 3, top 5. This one is actually a new one that I posted, so I'm happy that one sold too already. This blue and white Portuguese tile, as you guys know, that one is also another classic of mine. This one actually doesn't usually sell that often, which is really weird because I really like that one, and for some reason it didn't do as well as I thought it would, but maybe it's picking up now. But at least I got 2 sold with that. And then Shades of the Ocean, got 1 with that one, and those are my top products. And then let's see, traffic here. We have quite a bit of traffic. It looks like every day is over 200 unique visitors, which, I mean, obviously that's not the most I've ever had, but it's still a decent amount. Maybe they just weren't converting as much as other months. It looks like social media is still my biggest traffic source, along with Redbubble and then direct and organic. My shares only got me 129 unique visitors, so that's not that much, but yeah, most shares were coming from social media, which makes sense. A few from Redbubble, a few direct, and a few organic, so not too much to see here this month. All right, so let's go into my payment history. I'll just show you guys. As you can see here, May 2021, I earned $204. And then let's go last year, May 2020, Oh wow, okay, $4.93. So that was a huge decline. And I actually realized now that I'm filming this, the reason last year in May it was so much is because that's when my channel started getting some traffic on YouTube and I posted my Redbubble video. So I think people were curious. They're obviously going to my store, seeing all of my prints for the first time, and you know, I'm sure some people ended up buying things. So that's probably why it was so much that month, because yeah, ever since then, as you can see, like it went up, but before that it was definitely lower. So let's look at 2019 just to compare. So May 2019 was $3.47. Okay, so maybe something just happened this year where my sales were really low, because clearly in the past, I thought wow, okay, this May was $4.42. Okay, I need to look into this because I thought May was just not a good month for some reason in the past, but clearly it was, and it's the month that my summer sales start picking up. So I'm gonna see, definitely gonna get back to posting a lot and see if, you know, adding new designs helps bring that up, because yeah, that's the lowest May I've ever had, and it was the lowest by far. So gotta see what's happening there. Let me know if you guys had lower sales in May as well in the comments below. Maybe just for some reason this May people weren't buying things, although I'm sure that's not the case. But yeah, let me know what you guys had sold for May too. Okay, let's just go quickly into my sales history and see what minimal products people did buy. Okay, so let's start around here. Mask, art print, artboard, t-shirt. Yeah, none of those were too high ticket items. Shower curtain, 19 bucks, that's a big one. But yeah, just not a lot of sales. I think that was the only thing, because there were definitely some higher ticket items in there, but just nothing, not enough quantity. Some masks, tapestry, another tapestry, a phone case. So definitely a variety of stuff still, but yeah, nothing too crazy. I know I had a big sale around here somewhere. Oh yeah, this one. What was it? Oh, it was the duvet cover for $44. So yeah, that one didn't end up going on to that paycheck, but that's okay. I'll go on to the next one. So as you can see here, it was literally just one page of sales. So that speaks for itself as to why the amount wasn't that high. So I really have to try to maybe get more exposure for my store this month, maybe make some TikToks or just post more photography and designs and see if that works, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, sometimes you just have lower months. So as you can see, those analytics were definitely not the best ones I've ever had, and even though I had a decent amount of sales, they were lower ticket items and obviously not as many as other months, so that's another thing that contributed to my lower amount that month. But that's okay, I do have goals moving forward. I'm gonna actually keep the same goals I had in my April video because that was filmed this month as well, so I don't wanna double my goals, but I'll keep the same ones, which in case you haven't seen that video, I said that I wanted to post another 20 designs to my Redbubble page, so wherever I can find those designs, whether it's from old trips or going out for walks or scenic views and taking pictures there, because obviously I can't take ocean pictures right now or tropical pictures, so we'll see how that goes. I'll let you guys know. And I also want to post a few trending designs, I said, so I want to keep them still in line with my brand and aesthetic on Redbubble, but I want to add some trending elements to designs, so not necessarily photography, maybe more so graphic design. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll let you guys know if those ones do better than my photography. But then again, it'll only be like the first month, so you can never judge a design by how it does in the first month necessarily. Sometimes it does take longer to pick up, and you never know which ones might pick up in the future. Let me know how much you guys made in the month of May, and we can compare it in the comments below, or if you had your first sale in the month of May, because that's exciting too, because I'd love to see how you guys are doing and how you're progressing as well. If you want to learn more in-depth tips and details of how to actually succeed on print-on-demand sites and how to grow your sales, don't forget I have my course down below that I just recently launched for only $29 right now. You get the entire course and you really learn everything you need to know to get your shop up and running and get your first sale. So if that's something you're interested in, use my coupon code down below so you don't have to pay full price, and enjoy. But that's all I have for today, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and join our community here and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.